Hey there from Bugeyeguys. This is Jeremy's Bugeye, a one-of-a-kind Bugeye with a late model Mini Cooper fuel injection system. So a little unconventional. But what I want to show you today is very conventional, old-fashioned pop starting. So this car had a starting issue where we weren't getting enough action from the starter solenoid, from the starter cable. So assuming you have that happen to you and you happen to be on a hill, I will show you how to start the car. So we're in third gear. I put the key on. I have the clutch in and I'm rolling, so I've got the brake off. I get to about fast walking speed. I pop the clutch. The engine starts, the clutch goes back in, and then I can go into neutral, of course. And that's how you start the car, with a pop start. Now, many of you, if you're young and spry enough, you can get your car with a push and jump in and do exactly all this on the flat. The nice thing about Bugeyes is they're so light that you can do that, but it's a lot easier if you have a hill. So if you have any suspicion that your car is not in a good condition or your battery's low, just park on a hill and you can use that technique. That's what we're doing today here at Bugeyeguys.